Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Lancaster Road in Salford M6 to show you this lovely 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. As you can see, it benefits from plenty of off-road parking to the front. As you walk inside, you go into a porch which leads on through to a welcoming entrance hallway. This provides access to the downstairs toilet just through here. And then as you'll see as we go throughout the property, it is immaculately presented. We've got this lovely lounge diner space, which leads straight on out to the garden to the rear. Which, as you can see, it's a nice, well-tended space with paving, native lawn grass and mature plants. Then we have a nice modern fitted kitchen just through here. The property is just a short walk from Salford Royal Hospital and is within easy access of Lancaster Primary School as well, making it a great family location. It's also within easy access of transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre. Upstairs from the landing, we have 3 well-proportioned bedrooms. This is the main bedroom just through here. We have a 3rd bedroom and the 2nd bedroom as well. And then we have this really nice modern 3-piece bathroom. Properties in this condition, in this location, do not hang around. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.